So you won your workers' comp case. Now what? When do my payments start? Can your boss appeal the decision? And do you still get medical coverage if so? Here's the deal. The system doesn't make it clear on purpose. I'm going to break it down step by step based on real cases I've handled, so you know exactly what to expect and how to protect your win. You don't have to figure out workers' comp on your own. My complete playlist breaks down everything you would need to know. First, you need to figure out what you actually won. There are three main possibilities. First, the insurance company actually agreed that you were entitled to benefits and accepted your claim. The second is that a judge ruled in your favor and decided that you were entitled to workers' comp benefits, or a settlement of your claim where you've agreed to a lump sum or payout of your resolution, and even can impact the amount of a lump sum settlement. Here's what most people want to know. When does my money show up? The type of win you got will determine how and when you receive your benefits, and even can impact the amount of a lump sum settlement. If your claim was originally accepted or even reinstated by the insurance company on their own, you should receive your payments within 21 to 30 days. And payments are made either weekly or bi-weekly. If you settle your case, you usually get your money within 30 days. Also, under certain circumstances, if there's a delay in payment, you may be entitled to certain penalty benefits. What benefits are you entitled to? You could be paid back pay and ongoing wage replacement, coverage of past and future medical expenses with no cost to you, specific loss benefits, like if you lost a body part or had an amputation, or scarring and disfigurement benefits for anything above the shoulder blades. Your dependents could also be entitled to death benefits. Can your employer or their insurer appeal? Yes, they can appeal it, but they must do so within 20 days of your win. As part of the appeal, your employer or their insurer will ask for something called supersedious. That's a request to pause your payments while the appeal plays out. Appeals can go to the appeal board, the Commonwealth Court, or even the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. Most cases don't go that far, but it's good to know that that's possible. What challenges might you face after winning? Even after you win, the insurance company is going to try and cut off your benefits. They can send you to an independent medical examination known as an IME. They can send private investigators to track your activities, and they can file petitions to reduce or stop the benefits you've been receiving. What if you settle and your case is now over? Once you settle your case, typically the case is closed. That means you may or most likely will not return to your old job, and you typically lose medical coverage for your work injuries after the settlement. How to plan for long-term financial security. It's important to think long-term. You should use your settlement money wisely. Try not to spend it in one place. If you can't work anymore, you can look into federal Social Security disability benefits and investigate what other options are available to you in your current status. What if the insurance company doesn't pay? If they just don't pay, you can file a penalty petition to enforce payment, or see if there is additional legal action you can take for non-compliance. Just don't wait it out. Act fast so you don't fall behind financially.